Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our February 21, 2021 class. Let's start the class with our prayer. My hands are praying, praying, praying. My hands are praying just like this. Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and laugh and have lots of fun. Shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. Amen. Now it's time for us to count from 1 to 40. Let's count together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Did you count with me? Very nice. So who can tell teacher what letter we learned last week? We learned about the letter R. Very good. And what is the sound of the letter R? R for rabbit, R for robot, and also R for raining. Yesterday, it rained almost the entire day. So now, our letter for today is the letter. Who knows what letter is this? It's the letter, correct, the letter S. And letter S, you know what starts with? Teacher Sarah's name. My name starts with the letter S. So we have a big letter S or a capital letter S, and we also have a lowercase letter S. So letter S is just like a snake. So we start at the top, we make a curve, then we go down, and then we make a turn and go up. So that is how we make our capital letter S. And for lowercase letter S, it's the same, but we just make it smaller. So we make a small curve, go down, and then we turn and we go up again, and we have our lowercase letter S. And S is for snake. Now let's see what other pictures begin with the letter S. So we have letter S is for sword, where what the knights use in battle. We also have letter S for sun. Mr. Sun always greets us a good morning. We also have this one. This is a snail that moves very slowly. We also have a spider, the spider who makes a web. And we also have a shoe that we put on our feet whenever we have to leave the house. We also have a snowman. This is the friend of Elsa and Anna. We also have a stamp that we put on our letters before we mail them. We also have a shovel to make a big hole. And we also have a fruit that is a strawberry that starts with the letter S. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pictures that start with the letter S. Now it's time for us to get our Play-Doh mat, and let's make our letter S. So I will just be making a rainbow letter S using color green, and lastly color red. So what colors did you use to color your pictures? Ooh, that's very nice. So now let's go to the side and look at the pictures that we have here. So the first picture we have is a yo-yo. Yo-yo. Does yo-yo start with the letter S? No, yo-yo starts with the letter Y. That's correct. So let's write capital letter Y there on the side and make a big X mark because Y is not the letter S. Correct. Now we have saw. Saw to cut the wood. Does it begin with the letter S? Yes, it does. We also have sun. Sun. Does it begin with the letter S? Yes, it does. We also have sock. Sock. Does it begin with the letter S? Yes. And lastly, we have a seahorse. Seahorse. Does seahorse begin with the letter S? Yes, it does. So we have 4 pictures here that begin with the letter S. We have a saw, the sun, socks, and seahorse. Now that we're already done with our Play-Doh mat, let's get our letter S start. So let's start with tracing our letter S, the capital letter S, and the lowercase letter s on our alphabet hat. Our letter S hat. And remember, the sound of S is S. So we have to paste the pictures that start with, that has the S sound in the beginning, just like S for soap, S for scissors, S for seal, S for sun, and lastly, we have S for sail. So the arrow is pointing to us to the sail of the boat. Did everybody make their letter S hat? Very nice. So pack away your things, get your whiteboards and your whiteboard markers because we will be making our capital letter S. Curvy S is easy to make. Start at the top and make a snake. So the letter S, remember, looks like a snake. So let's start at the top. Everybody ready? Okay, let's start at the top. We make a curve. Then we go down. Then you turn and go up again. One more time. We make a curve. We go down. We turn and we go up. One more time, okay? We make a curve, we go down, turn up, and we have our capital letter S. So capital letter S or the letter S is a little bit tricky to make. So we have to practice a lot of times. So let's practice on our paper. Can you get your paper that looks like this? Start by tracing your name. Then, when you're all done, you can now proceed to making your capital letter S in all sizes. And you can now pause the video so you can finish your work. Did everybody finish their letter S work? Very nice. Is letter S easy to make? Yes, it is. We just have to practice so that we will remember what the letter S looks like and how we make it. So we now have a spider. Spider begins with the letter S. So after tracing your name, you have to trace the word spider. And we have to color our spider. So you can use different colors for your spider and also your capital and your lowercase letter S, okay? And when you're all done with that, you can now proceed to tracing your curved lines, tracing your letter S, the capital letter S, and the lowercase letter S. And you know what? Let's also try to write the letter S in the lines, okay? And when you're all done with that, we have to sort our capital letter S with our lowercase letter S. Very nice. So you can pause your video again so you can finish your work. Did you finish your work? Very nice. So let's go to our Google slide. We have the letter S here. So the first thing we have to do is we have to help the snake find all the capital letter S. And we are going to cover it with the sun. Is this the capital letter S? No, it's capital letter B. How about this one? Is this capital letter S? Yes, it is. How about this one? Is this capital letter S? Yes, it is. How about this one? Is this capital letter S? No, it's capital letter E. How about this one? Capital letter S? Yes, it is. This is capital letter S? Another yes. Capital letter S? Yup, yup, yup. Capital letter S? Oh no, it's the letter Q. This is the capital letter S? Yes, it is. How about this one? Capital letter S? No, it's the letter O. This is the capital letter S. And we also have this one, the capital letter S. This is the capital letter S. No, it's the letter Z. This is the capital letter S. This the capital letter S. Yes. And last one, is it the capital letter S? No, it's the letter A. So let's count how many capital letter S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 capital letter S here. So we already done with capital letter S. It's time to look for our lowercase letter S. So it looks like the capital letter S, but it's smaller, okay? So let's cover, is this lowercase letter S? Yes, it is. We also have another lowercase letter S, another lowercase letter S. Is this lowercase letter S? No, it's the letter R. Very good. This is the capital letter S. Lowercase letter S. Yes, it is. And the one beside it is also letter S. Is this the letter S? Are you sure? Yes, it's the letter W, not the letter S. This one is the letter S. Yes. This is the letter S. Another yes. Is this the letter S? No, it's the letter K. How about this one? It's the letter I. How about this one? It's the letter S. Very good. How about this? Is this the letter S? No, it's the letter D. This one is the letter S? Yes, it is. This is the letter S. And oh no, we are missing a sun. So let's just color that because it's also the letter S. There you go. So now let's count how many letter S we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lowercase letter S. So now that we're done looking for our capital and lowercase letter S, let's meet the pictures that begin with the letter S. So we have sun. Does sun begin with the letter S? Yes, it does. So let's put that inside the circle. How about tree? Does tree begin with the letter S? No, it starts with the letter T. So let's write capital letter T here. How about snake? Does snake start with the letter S? Yes, it does. We also have a snowman. Does snowman begin with the letter S? Yes, it does. Now we have a snail. Did the snail begin with the letter S? Another yes. How about spider? Yes, also. So we have the sun, the snake, the snowman, the snail, and the spider that all begins with the letter S. So now let's go back to our slide and let's see what is our next activity. It's already story time and snack time. So let's pack away our things. Let's get our snack and watch our story for today. Did you like our story? Very nice. Did you also eat your snack? Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Let's continue with our work. Let's now count and graph. So let's start with our capital letter S first. Let's do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look for lowercase letter s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have our stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have our shoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have our sword. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have our spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And lastly, we have to look for our snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one has the biggest number? The stamp has the biggest one. And then the next one, we have the spider. And then we have the shoe. Then the sword. And the capital letter S, lowercase letter s. And also the snail has the same number of objects. So that is how we count and graph. Now let's see what we have for our next work. Oh, it's find the letter. Very easy. So let's start by writing our name. So we have to practice writing the name. And when we're all done with that, let's get our dabber. Choose whatever color you like. And let's count and dab together. Everybody ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 capital and lowercase letter s, all for our snake. Ooh, we're almost done. A few pages left. So let's shake, 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 shake our hands. Wiggle, 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 wiggle our fingers. And let's proceed with the next work. So we have our capital and lowercase letter s. So let's start by looking for our capital letter S. I will be using my yellow marker, my yellow dabber. So don't forget to trace your name first and let's work together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We found 10 capital letter S. You found 10 also? Very good. Now let's look for our lowercase letter s. Trace your name first. This time, teacher will be using color blue. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You found 11 lowercase letter S also? Wow, very nice. And we are now on the very last work for today. Coloring by case. So let's start by tracing your name. And let's get our color yellow dabber. You can also use your crayon. Remember, we color only inside the black lines and we color everything so that there will be no more white spaces. So the instruction says we have to use color yellow to look for our capital letter S and also color it. So let's start with our star. Look at Teacher Sarah Osh. I'm coloring inside the black lines and also coloring everything so that no white spaces will be left. So we found 3 capital letter S stars. We have already 2 capital letter S soaps. We have 2 capital letter S spiders. Two capital letter S nails. And 2 capital letter S socks. So we found all the capital letter S. Now let's get color purple and color all the lowercase letter S. So we also have 2 lowercase letter S stars. 2 lowercase letter S soaps. We have our lowercase letter S spiders, also 2 of them. We have our lowercase letter S snail. And lastly, our lowercase letter S socks. So we have 1, 2, and last one, 3. So we colored everything. Did you also color everything? Very nice. So we learned about the letter S. The sound of S is S. We also learned how to write our capital letter S just like a snake. We have letter S is for star, soap, spider, snail, and socks. Tomorrow, we will be learning about other pictures that begin with the capital letter S. Also, practice some more making our letter S the capital letter 1. And what else? Also sort our letter S. So everybody did a good job. Let's give everyone their friends. So let's start with Amira. Amira will get Maribel. So these are from the Encanto movie. Did you watch it already? It was very nice. Let's give Mina Isabel. Let's give Mason Bruno. Anton will get Antonio. And Ivo will get Camilo. So everybody got their Encanto friends today. I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye-bye, everyone.